This is the code of a recipe app that I have created using Flutter, but at this moment I am not being able to execute this because I am getting the error of Multidex support. So in this video, I'll talk about Multidex, why we get this error and how to fix this. So by the end of this video, hopefully I'll be able to execute this code.
You can find all the information related to the concept of Multidex on this page of the Android developers documentation. This issue is specific to Android. Basically, the code that we write are converted to bytecode and kept inside DEX files for execution on Android. But there is a limit on the number of methods that can be kept inside a single DEX file. And the exact number is 64 into 1024, which equals to 65,536. Your code, your own code, then the code of the framework and the code of the third-party libraries, the dependencies. All of this combined, if the number of methods exceeds this number 65,536, then this cannot be, then the corresponding bytecode cannot be kept inside a single DEX file, and we need multiple DEX files. Now, if the minimum SDK version supported by your app is 21 or above, then you don't need to do anything. The support for Multidex is enabled by default. But if the minimum SDK version is below 21, in our case it is 19, so then we have to explicitly enable the support for Multidex. Now the instructions on how to enable the support for Multidex on an app where the minimum SDK version is below 21 can be found in this section, configure your app for Multidex. So we have to add two lines to the app level build.gradle file. So there are two build.gradle files. One is inside the Android directory and the other is inside the directory named app, which is inside the Android directory. So this one is called the app level build.gradle file. So we are going to add this line to the default config section of the build.gradle file, and we are going to add this dependency to the dependencies section. Now let us run the app by clicking on this button here. And now without any errors, without the error of Multidex, the app got executed, the code got executed and the app appeared here.